Preparing for the National Medical Admission Test or NMAT can be quite overwhelming, lalo na with all the requirements, schedules, and details na kailangan mong tandaan. To guide you through the process, I'm going to answer the most common questions about the NMAT, covering registration fees, requirements, test format, and test coverage. I am Mau, and I will help you be NMAT ready. May NMAT results na ba? Ano kaya ang ibig sabihin ng 99 plus PR? Hi, I'm Mau and welcome to another video of Be NMAT Ready, your reliable source for NMAT tips, insights, and everything you need to know about the exam. So when are the results released? Your NMAT results will be sent both via email and through mail. So first, an electronic copy of your test results will be available after 20 business days from the last date of test administration. However, take note that this electronic copy is not valid for admission purposes. Second, the original copy of your examinee report form or ERF will be mailed to the address you indicated in your NMAT registration form. Usually, it takes 6 weeks after the last test date. Delivery time is approximately 4 to 7 days for NCR and 7 to 14 days in the provinces. How do I access the e-copy of my NMAT results? To view your electronic copy, simply follow these steps. So first, go to CEM website. Second is to log into your account. And lastly, view and or download your results. Is there a passing score in NMAT? Technically, the NMAT has no passing or failing mark. However, the recommended national cutoff is at least 40. Each medical school has its own required percentile rank for admission. Some may accept PR 40 to 50, while more competitive institutions may require a PR of 90 or higher. What do the scores mean? The NMAT provides several sets of scores to reflect your overall performance. First is Part 1 sub-test scores and a composite score called Aptitude or APT. Second is Part 2 sub-test scores and a composite score called SA or Special Areas. And lastly, a full composite score derived from all 8 sub-tests called the General Performance Score or GPS. Each of the 8 sub-tests is reported as a standard score or SS, which ranges from 200 to 800 and with a mean of 500 and a standard deviation of 100. Your NMAT GPS is then presented together with a percentile rank or PR that ranges from 1 to 99 plus with a midpoint of 50. Your PR represents the percentage of examinees who scored the same as or lower than you. For example, a PR of 90 means you perform better than 90% of all test takers in that NMAT cycle.